girl some haterade, get your thirst quenched. Style doing them in this Burberry trench. These birds copy every word, every inch. But gang got the hammer and the wrench. I pull up in that.
What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe. How'd you guys like that intro right there? Please give a thumbs up. Let me know if you liked it. Today, guys, I will be doing a blue and orange look from my giveaway. You guys said that you wanted me to do makeup tutorials and play with makeup and play with my face, and I actually haven't done it in a while. So here's one of many videos, I guess you can say. I'm not going to be talking throughout this video, so guys, you're on your own from now on. Please be sure to subscribe, hit the notifications button, and I will see you in my next video. It's so dramatic. P.S. guys, here's a side note. If you see me looking confused in this video, just know I am truly confused in this video. I know nothing about eyeshadow. I don't wear eyeshadow as much. I barely know what two colors to put together. So yeah, that says a lot. Also, guys, I will give you a big round of applause if you do know how to apply eyelashes, because I've applied them and I shouldn't have applied them because I don't know how to apply them. So anybody that knows how to put them on in 30 seconds, kudos to you. It took me 30 minutes. But now I'm done with the talking, guys. Please enjoy this video. And like I said, I'll see you in my next one.
I went and copped the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop. I'm always in the top. Box seats, bitch, fuck the gossip. How many of them could've did it with finesse? Now everybody like she really is the best. You played checkers, couldn't beat me playing chess. Now I'm about to turn around and beat my chest. Just King Kong, yes, this King Kong. Yes, this King Kong. Just King Kong, this is King Kong. Chinese ink on, Siamese links.